Welcome back. Now let's talk business. Washington has picked a long-time corporate America titan, Meg Whitman, as its ambassador to Kenya. The millionaire businesswoman come politician is now expected to be vetted by Senate. Whitman is expected to replace Robert Godec, whose term came to an end early this year. If approved, Whitman will be the top bureaucrat at the U.S. Embassy in Kenya, which is Africa's biggest mission.
She took a position with Bain & Company, where she rose to senior vice president.
A graduate of Princeton University, Margaret Cushing Whitman is a mega donor of the Democrat Party, where she donated $500,000 to the Biden Victory Fund in the 2020 U.S. elections. The 65-year-old native of New York City has worked for several major U.S. companies, including Procter & Gamble, Disney, and Hasbro, before joining eBay in 1998, according to her profile. The technology executive is also a one-time Republican candidate for governor of California, where she spent a record $140 million on her campaign before losing to Democrat Jerry Brown. If approved, Whitman is expected to help jumpstart the U.S.-Kenya trade talks that have stalled for almost 2 years now. She is expected to drive the Biden agenda in the Horn of Africa, where several countries are engaged in internal military strife that threatens their economies. Whitman is also expected to drive Washington's agenda of neutralizing terror cells like Al-Shabaab and ISIS, as well as deepening America's counterterrorism agenda. Her nomination will need to be confirmed by the U.S. Senate, which is split 50-50 between Democrats and Republicans. Whitman has also had her own corporate failures, where her recent stint at video streaming service Quibi ended in failure, where the company closed its operations after 6 months of service.